Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to crochet a baby purse. It's very simple and easy, and this is the one side of this purse. Now we are going to make the other side, which is similar. For this purpose I am using a baby soft yarn and a 5mm steel crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring. Now to start your first row, make chain 1, go into the magic ring and pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Again pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops. This is our single crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7 and single crochet 8. After making 8 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and go into this first single crochet stitch here. Pull the yarn and pull through this loop to make a slip stitch. Now to begin your second row, make chain 2. Chain 2 is considered as our first stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into this same stitch again, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops only. Pull through first 2 loops only. This is our unfinished double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops only. This is our unfinished double crochet 2. Now pull through all 3 loops and then make chain 2 and go into this next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops only. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops only. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops only. Now pull through all 4 loops to make 3 double crochet together stitch. Now make chain 2. Again wrap the yarn, go into the next single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops only. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops only. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops only. Now pull through all 4 loops to make a 3 double crochet together stitch. Now repeat the same pattern till the end. So after completing this, make your last chain 2, go into the top of first stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your second row. Now make a slip stitch into chain 2 space and again start your row with chain 2. Chain 2 is counted as our stitch. So now make second unfinished double crochet stitch and third unfinished double crochet stitch and then pull through all 3 loops to make a 3 double crochet together stitch. Then make chain 1 here, go into this chain 2 space again and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops only, like this, and then finish it off by pulling the yarn through all loops. So this is our increased bubble stitch pattern in the third row. Now make chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into the next chain 2 space and repeat the same pattern and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, go into the same chain 2 space again and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. Now pull the yarn through all 4 loops. Now again make chain 2, go into the next chain 2 space and repeat the same pattern. So this is the pattern for our third row. We are making 2 bubble stitches into chain 2 spaces. So repeat this pattern till the end. So after completing, make your last chain 2 and make a slip stitch to finish this row into the top of first stitch, and then make a slip stitch into this chain 1 space and then make chain 2, which is counted as our first stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into this chain 1 space and make your unfinished double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn and make another unfinished double crochet stitch. Now finish it off by pulling the yarn through all 3 loops. This is our first bubble stitch. Now make chain 2, go into the next chain 2 space and again make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space, and then pull the yarn through all 4 loops and then make chain 1. Again go into this chain 2 space and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. And then pull the yarn through all 4 loops. So this is the pattern. Now make chain 2, go into this next chain 1 space and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches. And then finish it off. Now again make chain 2, then go into the next chain 2 space and into this chain 2 space we are going to make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches, and after finishing it off make chain 1, again go into the same chain 2 space and make 3 unfinished double crochet stitches one more time, and then finish it off. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing this, make chain 2 and into the top of first stitch make a slip stitch to finish this row. Now we are going to make our next row according to the multiple. We are going to make increase after 3 stitches. So it's a bit tricky because we are having chain 1 spaces and chain 2 spaces as well. So make chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into this first stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. Chain 2 is not counted as our stitch. This double crochet stitch is counted as our first stitch. Then go into the next chain 2 space and make 2 double crochet stitches. So total of 3 stitches. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the next stitch and make our increased stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So this is the pattern we are going to repeat. Now go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 2 and into the next chain 2 space, double crochet 3 after making 3 double crochet stitches. Now into this very chain 2 space we are going to make our increased stitch by making double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 here. I hope you can easily understand. Now go into the next stitch and make double crochet 1 into the next chain 2 space, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 into the next stitch. We are going to make our increased stitch by making double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now again repeat the same pattern. Go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 2 into the next chain 2 space, double crochet 3 and into the very same chain 2 space. After making 3 stitches, make our increased double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So this is the pattern. I hope you can easily understand. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing this row, make a slip stitch to the top of our first double crochet stitch and then start your row with chain 2 again and make your first double crochet stitch into this very first stitch. Then go into the next and make double crochet 2, go into the next and make double crochet 3, go into the next and make double crochet 4 and after making 4 double crochet stitches, now into the fifth one we are going to make our increased stitch here, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Into the previous row we have done our increased stitch into the fourth one and into the next one we are going to make our increased stitch into the fifth one. If you want this bag in bigger size, you can make more number of rows by increasing in the similar pattern. In the first row after 3, in the second row after 4 double crochet stitches and in the next row after 5 double crochet stitches. So this is the pattern if you want to increase the bag size. So now repeat this row till the end. So make the other round by repeating the similar pattern and turn it to the back side, and then join these both sides. So make chain 1, go into the very first double crochet stitch here and go into the double crochet stitch of the other circle as well, and pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. It's our joined single crochet stitch. Now go into the next second double crochet stitches of both sides and make a second single crochet stitch, and then go into the third stitches of both sides and make third single crochet, and then make fourth single crochet, and then make fifth single crochet. So this is very simple and easy method of joining. You can also join this bag with slip stitch, or you can also use a needle according to your own preference. Skip last 25 stitches. This is our open part of bag. So now only make single crochet stitches into the front side. This is our single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, and complete 12 single crochet stitches. So after completing 12 single crochet stitches into this middle, 13 single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, make a single crochet stitch, and then make our chain for the buttonhole. I have made total 7 chains. Now go into this second chain and make a slip stitch, and then go into this first chain and make a slip stitch. So total 5 chains for button hole. Now make a single crochet stitch into this same stitch again. You can make your chain according to the size of button. Now make 1 single crochet stitch into every stitch and complete 12 single crochet stitches for the other part. So after completing this, go into this first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish this side. So our one side is complete. Now it's time to make single crochet stitches for the back side as well. So now go into this very first double crochet stitch and make your single crochet 1, into the next single crochet 2, into the next single crochet 3, and complete 25 single crochet stitches. After completing your stitches, go into this joined single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch, and now make chain for our strap. I am making simple chain strap. You can make as many number of chains as you want, and after making this, make a slip stitch to this chain. You can also make crochet cord, add a bead and button to finish this bag. So here is the final look of our bag after joining bead and button to the back side. So it's super simple and easy crochet bag idea for kids, and you can also make this for adults as well by increasing the double crochet stitch rows. Like, share and subscribe.